Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial video, we will be learning how to log out of your MEXC application on your mobile device. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, open up the MEXC app and make sure that you are inside the home page. If you are logged into your account and you are looking for a way to log out of the app, then go ahead and tap on the human icon from the main home page, which is located at the top left corner of the screen. Soon after you tap on the human icon, you will see this interface where you have several options that you can click on. Scroll all the way down and tap on the log out button, but before logging out of your account, remember that you must have your email address and then your password or your phone number that you previously used while signing up or creating a new account for MEXC. After you are sure you remember your credentials, tap on log out and then click on the confirm button in the pop-up to confirm yourself to log out of your account. Now that you've done that, you have been successfully logged out of the application. You can log back in anytime using your credentials. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.